Effects of air pollution. The effect of air pollution are diverse and numerous. Air pollution can have serious consequences for the health of human beings and also severely affect natural ecosystems. Because it is located in the atmosphere, air pollution is able to travel easily. As a result, air pollution is a global problem and has been the subject of global cooperation and conflict. The major effects of air pollution are: 1. Human health. The human health is adversely affected with air pollution. Numerous diseases are caused by man's exposure to polluted air. Asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and lung cancer are main diseases associated with the air pollution. These diseases may take several years to cure, and in some cases, the affected person can even die. The most serious pollutant is sulfur dioxide. Its concentration in human body causes cough, breathlessness, and spasm of larynx. It also causes irritation in eyes. It also becomes an allergic agent when it reacts with some compounds. It makes sulfuric acid, which can damage the lungs. Carbon monoxide is another dangerous pollutant which affects oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Cigarette smoking is responsible for the exposure to this poisonous gas. The carbon monoxide remains attached to the hemoglobin in blood for a long time. It impairs perception of thinking, slows down the reflexes, causes headaches, drowsiness, dizziness, and nausea. In some cases, the vision is also blurred. Poisoning by carbon monoxide can even cause death. Nitric acid is another pollutant which causes irritation, and its excess amount causes hemorrhage. Hydrogen sulfide is another toxic pollutant. Lead is often released from vehicular exhaust and can damage the brain. Particulate pollutants like silica, asbestos, and lead affects the lungs. Smog, a type of air pollutant, has killer effects. In December 1952, in London, around 4,000 persons died due to smog. Elderly people, children, pregnant women are more vulnerable to the effects of air pollution. Plants and animals, all plants and animals need air to live. Therefore, they are not spared from the ill effects of air pollution. Several atmospheric pollutants are absorbed by the vegetation cover. The metallic contaminants like arsenic and lead are chief pollutants for the plants. For animals, the chief pollutant is fluoride that causes fluorosis. A number of livestock have been poisoned by the fluorides and arsenic. Bones of animals have been affected due to fluorides. Animals around smelting industries, areas around smelting industries release large amount of sulfur dioxide which can totally damage the vegetation cover. The cells in plants become inactive or dead when sulfur dioxide is absorbed by them. The leaves then get dried and collapse. Crops like cotton, wheat, apple, and barley are very sensitive plants. Fluorides also interfere with the photosynthesis and respiration of plants. Smog is also harmful to plants. Acid rain. Acid rain is a corrosive type of air pollutant which occurs when oxides of sulfur and nitrogen combine with moisture of atmosphere. The sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released by burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas. It leads to the formation of sulfuric and nitric acids. The acid pollutants return to the ground by way of rain, snow, fog, and invisible dry forms. When it reaches earth, it can damage soil fertility, plant life, freshwater life in lakes, etc. Acid rain severely damages the various ecosystems in many parts of the world. Many forests and lakes have been damaged by it. Sulfur dioxide and compounds of nitrogen can burn the leaves of plants. When it pours on the lakes, the water becomes poisonous and kills the aquatic life. When acid rain pours on soil, it destroys the nutrients of soil and reduces its fertility. Greenhouse effect. Water vapors, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide act as a blanket and trap the heat radiating from the earth. This is known as greenhouse effect. After industrial revolution, the amount of greenhouse gases has been increasing. This is attributed to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas. Increasing of temperature melts the large portion of ice caps and several glaciers. It is estimated that large amount of water may be released into sea in the near future and the sea level would rise by a meter. The coastal areas and numerous islands would submerge in water. The greenhouse effect is capable of changing the climate of the entire globe. Ozone depletion. Ozone layer is a part of the stratosphere and absorbs the ultraviolet radiation of sun which is very harmful if it reaches earth. It can cause cancer in the human body. It can also lead to increase in the surface temperature of the earth. Chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigeration and spray cans are very light and can reach the ozone layer where UV rays break apart the chlorofluorocarbons, thus releasing the chlorine atom. The chlorine atom reacts with ozone and converts it into simple oxygen which cannot absorb UV rays. A single atom of chlorine can destroy 1 lakh molecules of ozone. This problem does not affect at local or regional level but at the global level. Therefore, this problem has attracted the scientists of the world and all countries are working hard to find solution to this problem. Other effects. The air pollution also damages the property of the people and several other materials. The air pollution causes damage to worth billions of rupees every year. The pollutants break down the exterior plants, paints of the cars, houses and other buildings. Several heritage structures like Taj Mahal have been discolored by air pollutant. Such sites and statues lose their natural beauty. In 1972, the Mathura oil refinery was established and its smoke is expected to affect the beauty of the Taj Mahal, which is not much far from it. Other statues of aluminium alloy and copper alloy are corroded. Although the damage caused to the structures does not pose any serious threat, it does damage the aesthetics of the area.